Hello everybody, I'm Roman Rodrigues and I'm doing additional mathematics and we are on chapter 23 vectors, and this is the second exercise, exercise 23.2 of this chapter, and I'm doing the last sum of this exercise, question number 7. So it says here, given that OA is equals to A and OB is equals to B, OP is equals to 2 by 3 OA and OQ is equals to 2B, you have to express AB and PQ in terms of A and B. So let's say solution. A, B. The vector AB is equals to AO plus OB. Now I can write AO in terms of OA with a negative sign. So minus OA plus OB is equals to AB, or in other words AB is equals to OB minus OA. Now we know the values of OA and OB. So OB is equals to B and OA is A. So this is what AB is equals to. Now in the same way we will find PQ. PQ is equals to PO plus OQ. Now I can write PO as OP, the negative sign, change in direction, plus OQ. Or PQ is equals to OQ minus OP. Now PQ is equals to, what is OQ? OQ is 2B minus OP is 2 by 3 OA, and we know OA is equals to A. So PQ is equals to 2B minus 2 over 3 A. So there you are. So we just found the value of AB and PQ in terms of A and B. Now PQ meets at AB and R, so that PR is equals to NPQ. Now let's solve the next part of the sum. PR is equals to PO plus OR. Or I can write it down as PR is equals to minus OP plus OR. So PR, is equals to NPQ. So I replace PR by NPQ is equals to OR minus OP. Now what is OP equals to? OP is equals to 2 by 3 OA. So NPQ is equals to OR minus OP is 2 by 3 OA, or I can write NPQ is equals to OR minus 2 by 3 OA is equals to A. Okay, and PQ we know is 2B minus 2 over 3 A equals to OR minus 2 over 3. Now let me just expand this. So I'll get 2bn minus 2 over 3an and bring this minus 2 over 3a on the other side. So you'll get plus 2 over 3a is equals to OR, or I can write it down as OR is equals to. Now from here and here I will take a common. So I will get A, in fact I'll take 2 by 3A common. So 2 over 3A, if I take common I'll get 1, minus 2 over 3A is gone, N equals to, this plus 2BN. So this is what OR is equals to. I'll write it down once again over here. OR is equals to 2 over 3, 1 minus n times A plus 2bn. Now we have found OR in terms of A, B and N. So OR in terms of A, B and N. Now we have to also write this in terms of K, A and B. OR in terms of K, OR in terms of K, A and B. So we have that AR, this can be written as AO plus OR. So AR is equals to, if I change direction, minus OA plus OR. Now what is AR equal to? AR is equal to KAB. KAB. And minus OA is equals to A plus OR. What is AB equals to? AB is equals to B minus A. So K, B minus A, bring minus A over here, plus A is equals to OR. Or I can write it down as KB minus KA plus A is equals to OR. KB minus KA plus A equals to OR. Now, I've got KB over here, minus taking A common, K minus minus 1 equals to OR. Okay? Or I can say OR is equals to KB minus A, K minus 1. There you go. So in terms of K, A and B, I have KB minus A, K minus 1. Okay, A, K and B. There you go. Now using these two equations, we can find the value of N and of K. So I'll do it over there. Comparing these two, OR and OR. So let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. Equating equation 1 and 2. Do it over here. Equating equation 1 and 2. We now get 2 over 3 1 minus n a plus 2b n equals to minus a k minus 1 plus kb. Now I'm taking the coefficient of a, so I'll get 2 over 3 1 minus n equals to minus k minus 1. So bring this 3 over here, 2 minus 2n equals to minus 3k minus plus 3 ones are 3. So if I bring k here and take 2 on the other side, so I'll get 3k minus 2n is equals to 3 minus 2. So 3k minus 2n is equals to 1. I've got one equation over here. Now I'm taking the coefficients of b. So I'll get 2n is equals to k. Okay. Now I'll substitute this value of k in this equation. So 3 instead of k, I can put the value of k, which is 2n. Minus 2n equals to 1. 3 2s are 6n. Minus 2n equals to 1. 6n minus 2n will give you 4n equals to 1. So n is equals to 1 over 4. So we found the value of n. Now to find the value of k, I'll substitute in this equation the value of n. So 2n is equals to k. So 2 times, instead of n, I'm putting down the value 1 upon 4 is equals to k. 2 will go to 4 2 times. So k is equals to 1 over 2. Hence I found the value of n and k as well. I hope you have all understood. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.